Welcome to day 27, Regular Expressions in Python. Today we will dive into the world of regex, learning how it helps us search, match, and manipulate strings. We will also explore Python's re module, which makes working with regex easy and efficient. Let's start by understanding what regular expressions or regex actually are. Regex is a sequence of characters that forms a search pattern. It's used to search for specific patterns within strings, making it a powerful tool for text processing. For example, the below example is matches a social security number. Regular expressions are built using basic components. Literals are characters that match exactly. For example, A matches the character A. On the other hand, meta characters are symbols that have special meanings. For example, backslash double backslash D matches a digit, 2 backslash W matches a word character, and now let's look at quantifiers and character classes. Quantifiers define how many times an element can appear. For example, asterisk means 0 or more occurrences, and nm means between n and m occurrences. Character classes allow us to specify a set of characters to match, such as ABC, which matches either A, B, or C. To use regex in Python, we import the re module. There are several useful functions in re, such as match, which checks if the pattern matches at the beginning of a string, search, which finds the first match anywhere in the string, and sub, which allows us to replace patterns within strings. Here are examples of how match and search work. Re.match looks for pattern only at the start of the string, whereas re.search searches the entire string for the first match. For example, re.match r, r prime a b c prime. Next, let's look at re.findAll and re.sub. Re.findAll returns all occurrences of the pattern, while re.sub replaces the matched pattern with a specified string. Meta characters like the dot are used to match any character except a new line, while anchors like match the beginning and end of a string respectively. One of the powerful features of regex is capturing groups. By using parentheses, we can group parts of the pattern and refer to them later. Back references allows us to match the same text as a previous group. Let's now look at a practical example. Here we are using regex to validate phone numbers in the format given below. The pattern ensures that we match exactly 3 digits, a hyphen followed by another 3 digits, another hyphen, and 4 digits. Here's another practical use case, extracting dates. For example, we can extract dates in the format dd, mm, yyyy using the pattern below. This allows us to capture the day, month, and year separately. For your mini project, you will create a regex based text parser. The task is to open a text file, use regex to extract information like email addresses, phone numbers, and dates, and then display or store the extracted data. Let's quickly recap. Regex is a powerful tool for searching, matching, and manipulating strings. We covered key functions like read.match, re.search, re.findAll, and re.sub. Now it's time to practice. Try validating phone numbers, extracting dates, and validating URLs using regex. And with that, we have covered the basics of regex. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to ask now. I am happy to help.